So you know it's a Volkswagen? Only premium, baby.
Fuck up the city, we burned out. Yo, city, we burn it down. I guess it's my turn now. Smoke loud, I'm a lonely clown. I'm a lonely clown with my windows down. I'm a lonely, I'm a lonely. Fuck the city, we burned out. Yo, city, we burned.
Alright, so it's MF Brock here. We got MF Carver. And we just got some important information for you guys. We're saying goodbye to our
infamous GTI.
to what started the channel. Alright.
And the lucky
So,
of the lucky owner of this young lad. How do you feel about saying goodbye
Not good.
to your long beloved GT? Get out.
We'll link the Craigslist post in the description if any of you Hoonigies want to copy.
Nolan.
MF Nolan, we know you need a car, man.
Yo.
It's 10 out of 10 everywhere. Cindy, you want to go like explain what the car is all about? Yeah, so it's a GTI 1.8T, 160,000 miles, rims, 10 out of 10 condition right here.
Let's go see the light.
10 out of 10 condition. Look.
Look at that, right here.
Fine.
Look at that. Volkswagen, baby, 160,000 miles, quick, sunroof. So I need to know, it's got plenty of life in it. Paint, 10 out of 10. We'll never beat it. And then aftermarket boiler exhaust. Look at the interior, actually. Alright, let's get it started up. Let's get it started up. Ready?
Ready?
Crank it.
Ooh, it's crispy. Rip it. It's going to reverse now. Look at her roll out. Look at that. Look how clean she is.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
He just took my car. It's off the market.
Alright, well, we're here by ourselves now. There's some random car over there. I don't know what they're doing over there. And this Mini Cooper's just looking at us weird.
Trying to fight.
I guess I live over there. Oh, here he's come. Oh, they're pulling at you. Probably just coming to talk to us or something. Rev it! Rev it! Alright, here it comes.
Okay. I'm really dead honest. I think I blew the engine.
Wait, what'd you say?
I think I blew the engine. It smells like straight oil. But dude, trust me, this thing, 2,500 bucks. As it is.
Hey, let's pop the hood real quick.
Wait, you have to take
Oh, it's gonna take forever.
Alright, pause clip.
You can't. You have to take this off?
Pause
Yeah.
clip, pause clip.
No, I'm just gonna roll with it.
You have to take this off.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. I broke the clip off.
I really think I blew it again. It smelled like straight oil.
It does that.
Hey, yo, we gotta sell this thing quick.
There's nothing.
Just take that thing out.
Is it hard to take off?
No. You can just leave that part. Leave that part.
You know what we should do? We should just put this video in the Craigslist ad.
City, tell me he can reach you.
You can reach me on my cell phone, 951-663-818.
There we go.
Alright, someone here.
Oh, jeez.
Heavy.
Look at that. 20 volts of pure turbo, baby. Where's the turbo?
There's oil hanging everywhere.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Enough of that. Here, you want to crank it?
No.
Alright.
I don't trust this. So you go crank it, I'll hold up the hood.
This
I'm
thing
scared.
is bad. Back to the phone, baby. There's a turbo on this bitch.
I have no clue, honestly.
Alright, no, look. It's probably right there.
This
Yo,
one's
this
up.
thing's-
My shirt's wet.
So, what's the plans after we sell this?
We're gonna lease a car, get a fat new one.
What are we gonna get? Well, no, secrets.
Yeah.
2016
upcoming vid.
Challenger.
Upcoming vid, be ready. I know we've made a lot of promises in the past, guys. But this one is actually happening. Alright, let's drop the hood. Drop the hood. Oh no, that's the cops. We burn out the spot. We burn out the spot. Whoa. Damn. Whoa. Ah. Okay, the lock doesn't work. Get the car. I also forgot about that. They're burning out the spot. Oh, crank it.
Wait, show your door. When
The
you
door's fine. The door's fine. Whoa.
Yo,
Whoa. We're banging gears. Whoa.
Go the wrong way.
Whoa. Is there a car? Clear right. Go.
Go.
Go. Look at the 0 to 60. Get the 0 to 60. Look at that. Woo! That's speed, baby. Get the stop sign. Oh no, it's a car. We gotta stop. 12. I think that's a 12.
That's the 12. Yo. Hey, keep on.
Hey, seatbelt. Oh, whoa, it's all
Doesn't
banging. Why so working?
Yo, it's too bright in here. I need to
Wait,
turn
and
the
then
flash.
put the flash on. This is what this channel's all about. No horn. No horn. Okay, just $2,500 as is. No lights on the dash. No lights on the dash. No, on the dash. There's no lights.
No lights.
No lights. Whoa. As is. All right, you ready for a little 0 to 60 mob? Let's get it.
Yo,
Get it.
this thing's like not focused.
Hey, get the 0 to 60. Get the 0 to 60. All right, you guys ready? Bang! We're bang gears. No lights, baby. No lights. Bang! There it is. There it is. Woo!
Hey, let's pull to some guy to stop.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
right here.
Alright, end it. We'll get to someone. So you know it's a Volkswagen? Only premium, baby. We can't afford it. Come on, buy your merch.
Yo, we need the funds right now.
Buy your merch. Oh, it's fucking 7-Eleven, man. Come on. Not to hold it. Do this thing. $2,500. Never been off-roading, that's a plus. Zach blew a tire on it at San Marcos.
On the freeway, actually.
Dude, this thing just bangs gears.
Hey, we'll add that picture on the ad. Blown out tire.
Only Hoon, responsibly. We already out? Come on. It's only premium. 45 miles to the gallon. I would drive the thing. Alright, got that out. I would drive this to Temecula and back in a heartbeat. You zoomed in.
Yeah. To Temecula. Hey, we got more hoons coming in. Hey, I should just tweet, hey, all hoons come to 7-Eleven and wheel them out.
Follow us on Twitter. I don't think we've ever shouted that out at IEHOONIGIES. Yeah, we have a Twitter.
Damn.
Thank you for shopping. Let's go.
Full tank.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go.
Nice. Oh, my seat's all wet. I forgot. I just spit dark pepper. Ah. I think this floor is a race right here.
Yo, he's
Yeah.
You count it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Oh, we're getting zooted.
Volkswagen.
Oh.
No! He hit us another running
We're
start.
back up. We're gonna get
This
the
is
running
IEHOONIGIES.
Yo, just starting out. Go, 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 go.
You're not trying to...
Go, 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 go. Oh, yo, yeah.
Exercise. Oh no! No.
Yeah, we know.
We're going too fast.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Why is there every red light?
I know. Oh, no, don't put that. We gotta get a running start. We gotta get a running start. She told us we were smoking. The district. Oh, dude, we are.
Yo,
Good.
this thing's probably gonna break down. Yeah, we'll cut that out of the video.
See, that's how we do it. Damn.
Hey, don't let them see it.
No, I'm trying. Think about time we calling for it.
I know.
Never stop.
Another one! No, we're trying to get something started.
I know. Alright, get this.
Alright.
Like,
Running start.
running start, baby.
Running start.
Running start.
Yo, they just won't quit. They can't.
Get the wheels moving. Get them nice and loose, and we're good to go.
It's just the glare on the windshield. It looks all smoke. Or it's just the smoke.
It's smoking pretty bad. Looks like we can't get a
Yo,
running
that's so
start.
surprised we pulled into girls. House.
Too much damn boost.
It's going.
Hey,
Roll up the windows.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Whoa! Oh, he won! Yo, we gotta get your car. Let's go.
The dog won't stop. Roll your window.
Alright. Alright, something isn't bad.
Alright guys, okay, so back to the real point of this video. We're selling the GTI. We hate to do it,
But we have to move on.
I wish you could smell.
it's just all this YouTube money is just getting to us, and we just have enough money. Yeah, we might just get a GTR.
Yeah,
But
might as well.
You'll find out. Oh, 12.
Alright.
F1 too. So yeah, we're selling the GTI, $2,500. Again, call 951-663-0818. $2,500 is yours. We're gapping Subarus. We're gapping. Was that a Mitsubishi?
Yeah,
Well, we gapped
Lancer.
it. We gapped it. All we do.
And put the hazards on.
A lot of that. You buy this car, a lot of that.
Yeah, I'm
Trust
on
me.
the side of the road.
Drifting, watch this. Drift machine.
You hear that peel out?
It
with
bangs
that-
gears, manual. Yeah, it's a great car. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Buy your merch.
Link in the
We-
description.
We
below.
want a Z06 Corvette, but we're just not there yet.
I think we're gonna get a
I
20.
think that's like 2 more vids and we'll be there.
Yeah, buy your merch, guys. I'm sick of it. We have thousands of shirts. Just
Just piling up right now.
yeah, we even have to give them to like JSR cars. Broke asses. Oh, I thought it was a red light. God, all this oil's like getting to me. I'm kind of not feeling too good. Whoa.
Stop.
So yeah, all right. See you guys in the next one.